Yeah.
It's all out of his mouth.
It doesn't seem that bad, right?
Oh dear Lord.
This soda's good.
Whoa.
You need some water, bud?
Actually, he's doing it better than I did.
Yeah, he is.
I can't believe it. I got to do this shit again.
You want to do this again?
Yes, he's doing it better than I did. I can't believe it right now. What is this? I'm the fucking juggernaut.
I like to see yourself calling you that.
Damn.
Okay, that's pretty bad.
You done? Let me see your mouth. Alright.